Today we're doing a DIY club regrip using Wrap-Tite's new double-sided golf grip tape, DCT 7048. Start by carefully cutting away the old grip. Make sure you're cutting away from your body and away from the shaft. Go in the direction towards the end cap. Once the old grip has been removed, strip away the old tape completely. Once you measure a strip the appropriate length, apply it lengthwise. Once in place, peel the liner and then wrap the tape snugly around the club. Now apply your solvent to your new grip. This will allow your grip to slide smoothly onto the new tape. Our golf grip tape has an incredible holding power and a high initial tack, so your grip stays put through every swing. Check your alignment before it cures, and then you're all done.